Oregon.
Like Oregon.
Oregon. We are driving the entire Oregon coast in 1 week.
Starting in the southernmost part of Oregon, heading our way up to Gold Beach.
But before we hit the road, we're hoping to hit the best beach in Oregon.
Find the best seafood, and find our favorite marine animals for the first time.
We're Morgan, Chris, Jonah, and Jude. We ditched the 9 to 5 to spend more time with each other after years of missing out.
We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that bring us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now? I got to do my gas, and the guy's like, "Can I help you?" And I was like, "Oh, it's okay, I got it." He's like, "I can't let you. It's Oregon. You can't do self-serve here. You have to." I was like, "Really?"
Didn't we do it before?
I thought so. Maybe not. I don't know.
Oh, weird. Do you tip?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Is this heaven?
This is weird.
Is this the Twilight Zone?
Look at all this. Flooded underneath.
I think that's just because of the rain. Shut up. You brought your pirate hat?
Pirate hat? That's what you brought in your adventure bag today?
I love it.
Sure.
Oh, it's so cold. These waves are massive compared to when we were just down in SoCal. They're huge. They're like monstrous waves.
Breath!
I was standing in the sand, and within like 2 seconds I'm filming and up to my hips. That's how crazy the waves are. See that rock behind us?
It's called the Kissing Rock.
Yep. How'd you get up there? How are you gonna get down from there?
Gold Beach was okay. It was very rainy. At night, I actually feared for my life. It rained so hard, I thought that the RV was just gonna wash right into the ocean. So we're gonna give it, what, a B? We'll give it a B. It was still very pretty.
It was very beautiful. But hoping for a bit more excitement, we headed more north to South Beach State Park, where there's a beautiful little beach.
The oldest town in Oregon's coast.
Welcome to Bullfoot.
It's another bridge. You know, my favorite thing. This one looks like we can barely clear it with our RV. Look at that.
Yeah, like curving around here with this festival up and around.
Wild.
It is wild. But look at these curves, like another curves.
Oh, tunnels, I do not like you.
Another beautiful day here in Oregon.
Get a lot of work done, right? All got our little workstations. Think another rainy day?
What's the drawback of staying at the state park? I gotta come to a laundromat to do laundry.
Close your eyes, babe. So much sand. Oh, it got all over your little face. Road trip essentials. Tablets. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my gosh, we can't leave without it. Kombucha. Check. He's using the force to do this.
We headed about 30 minutes north of Newport to Depoe Bay,
which is the whale watching capital of Oregon. It was my favorite, one of my favorite stops.
It was not my favorite. So put your 2 hands.
Just like that. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But do you think this looks weird on me?
No, it's good.
Do you have any recommendations of
But I was watching.
We all just said every trip's different.
We're gonna go with not choppy today, right?
Choppy.
Do you want choppy? Oh.
We don't want choppy. Oh, look, you guys.
Anyways, these are rubber seals.
So are you fine with seeing the seals? I think that's awesome. Or should we still try to see the whales?
Still trying to see the whales.
Oh god, that.
Whoa, that's cool. Hey, it's okay. You good? I got you. Hey, if you need it, Morgan, I think that bucket's for you down there.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Look how cool!
These are California sea lions.
Oh my gosh!
That is so cool.
Oh wow! So
We're gonna go see a whale next. Are you excited?
Here it comes. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's the tail.
Got a tail shot.
No way!
They're black rock fish.
Should catch some of those and get them for dinner, guys.
Yeah.
I think I found my sea legs. Chris. It's right there, guys. Can you see it? Really close. Oh, there he is, John. Look. Maybe we should never do a cruise. Are you okay? Do you need the bucket? Do you guys feel okay? Are you feeling sick like that? Or no? Just nervous? Not sick? Just want to make sure. You might want to hold it, Chris. You want to hold it in case you have to do it again? Oh, poor Larry. Does that happen a lot? No.
Come on. Hey, if you need it, Morgan, I think that bucket's for you down there.
We'll work our way back up.
Oh, they're just relaxing. So I was one that was the most nervous. And now we've got 2 sleeping children. And poor Chris, who's feeling sick with his bucket.
Up until this point, we had our fair share of challenges.
Until we got to Rockaway Beach and things started to change.
Family Beach State Park, they have vacancies. But we ain't stopping. We're gonna keep on going.
Water or full hookups?
Oh, God,
This is hilly. Oh my gosh. Wow, we're really close to the train tracks. And keep it coming.
That's what I'm talking about. Follow the leader. Good? You just eating lemon? What do you think of the fish and chips?
Good.
How good?
Up to this is the chat.
That's a chip. Orion chips, fish good.
10 out of 10. Super good. Judy, what do you think of the view for dinner tonight? Oh, there's a little Lego here.
He made it to Oregon!
It wouldn't be a family trip for us if there was not some sort of obstacle in there.
Somebody wanted.
Yeah, someone's banging on our door.
Somebody would be.
So it's 11 o'clock at night and we're all in bed and then we hear a massive pounding on the door. I'm like, what is going on? Who is pounding on our door? And I'm like, hello? And then this voice responds, hey, I think your RV is great. I want to tell you how great it is. I'm like,
Good American.
really? Really? And I'm like, it's 11 o'clock at night, you know, go home. Oh, can I at least shake your hand? I'm like, no, I'm not coming out my RV. No, at this point, I'm like, we're getting robbed. Someone's trying to get me outside to rob us. And so
it was time to move on.
It was time to move on, yeah.
So we decided to travel a little bit further up to Cannon Beach. This was a little bit special for us because we really loved the movie The Goonies, and especially Jonah. He just got into it. And there's a rock there called Haystack Rock where they actually filmed a couple scenes. Cannon Beach, here we come.
I'm really scared of salami.
Salami is lunch meat that is really gross, and I am also scared of salami.
I meant the wave.
Tsunami.
Yeah, tsunami.
Yeah, I think we're okay, but it's good to just be aware of what could happen.
Found it.
Max up with that.
Do you want to race me down to Haystack Rock? See that? Look, come here, look. See that big rock over there? See that big rock over there? Want to race me to it?
Yeah.
Go!
Oh my gosh. How cool.
Lift your hands. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Ah! Ah!
Never put lotion on your legs before you go to the beach.
J-U-D-E.
I'm so proud of you. That looks great, dude. Cannon Beach, hands down, gets our #1 beach spot for the Oregon coast.
It is amazing, but the waves still just monstrous.
And cold.
The whole way down the coast they've been monstrous.
Mad that we're there, but that's okay. It still gets our #1 spot. So it was hard to leave because it was so beautiful. Everybody had a lot of fun. However, we decided to go after some more Goonie fun and visit the actual Goonie House about as far north as you can get on the Oregon coast in Astoria. Before we go places, we like to join the community groups on Facebook so we can get the inside scoop of what to do. And all the locals here in Astoria told us that the Goonies House was kind of cool to visit, but the locals, or the people that own it, absolutely hate it. They hate visitors, they hate people doing it. Don't you think that kind of comes with the territory?
So, we thought we'd go say hi. Okay to walk up, so we're good. There it is. Guys, look, Jonah, there it is.
Jonah here in Astoria, Oregon, and we both made it to the Goonies House.
What's your number?
39.
You're 39? You think it'll be like San Francisco? Or not as cool?
In there.
I guess. So if we go missing on the dock, we have to sign in.
There are no sea lions down here or
Fail.
seals. So, but we can hear them and we can see them over that pier.
I just have to find them.
And we gotta get over there.
Follow the sound. What does it sound like?
Unfortunately, the pier is closed, but we did find the sea lions. and they're way down there.
San Francisco wins this one. Exactly.
It sounds like
This is a travel hack, right? Get ice cream at the store and save like 90%. And it still is good, right? Yeah. The Oregon coast was cool. I'm glad that we did it.
It was very beautiful.
I think we learned a lesson about just being grateful for whatever this trip has given us, whatever it throws our way. We've faced a lot of obstacles, but within those obstacles, I think come some really cool memories where we've grown as a family.
Yeah, and hopefully next week I'll be seeing a different kind of green. An evergreen.
Not as sick. Evergreen, hopefully. We'll see you then.
Cheers. That big bridge over there on the left, that one takes you to a different state. It takes you to Washington.
Can you do that?
People pumping your gas, look at all these lines, because you can't just pump your own gas. You got to wait for someone to do it, and he's doing someone else's gas. He's got to run across to another gas, come back to the other one. Never ending. This is the problem. Oregon, just get rid of this whole...
Oregon.
It's ridiculous.
You should run for city council here.
I should.